everyone and welcome back to my channel. So I'm here again with another Princess Polly try on haul. I picked up predominantly winter essentials, I guess you could say, because obviously it's winter here in Australia and it's freaking freezing, but I'm super excited for this haul because they have so many cute styles on the website at the moment. I picked up lots of knits, I got some jeans, I also got a long coat which I wouldn't normally reach for or wear, but they styled it on the website. I feel like majority of the pieces are always influenced by the models on the website. They style it so nice and they just make it work, and every single time I do receive items that I have seen styled on the model, they end up looking really good. So hopefully, fingers crossed, this outfit looks good on me. So yeah, like I said, I picked up a bunch of winter essentials and cute outfits. I'm gonna see if I can try and style them with some shoes that are also available on Princess Polly that I have already got at home, or if you have anything similar. I just thought I'd give you some styling tips or ideas if you have something similar at home. So Princess Polly have given me a 20% off discount code again for you guys. I'll leave my code on the screen as well as in the description box anyways. Without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, let's start off with this super cute crop. I'm going to be saying cute a lot, I can just tell in this haul. So I got this white knitted crop. I love that it's shorter at the front and then longer at the back. I love the opening of the jumper. I like that it's plunged so you can pair it with a cute necklace like I have. I love that the sleeves are a bit longer as well. I just find it really cozy when jumpers or knits are longer, so you can kind of hold them like this. I'm a bit weird like that. This is the jumper, nothing really more to say about it. It's just really comfy, it's not itchy, and I feel like it would go with absolutely anything. I just paired it with a chunky necklace and some jeans. You can also wear it like this, straight on, if you didn't want that really cropped look, or you could wear it like I was and have it so it goes up like a V. But anyways, it's really up to you how you style it. But yeah, that's the first thing that I picked up. Second piece that I picked up were these jeans. Not gonna lie, I have been eyeing these off for a couple of months now. Last time I ordered from Princess Polly, they were out of stock, as well as the time before that, so I've been waiting eagerly for them to come back in. All of the reviews on the product were amazing. One point that I did see when I was on the website was definitely go down a size to what you normally are. So I'm normally a size 10 in jeans. I picked these up in an 8 and I'm so glad that I did. They fit so snug, not really tight. They are meant to be a boyfriend cut. I will put the camera down so you guys can see the jeans, but I don't have anything like it in my collection. I like how it is fitted on my legs, not so loose for a mum jean, like the bottom. Cute socks. Does flare out a little bit, but not excessively. These are probably my favorite jeans that I've ever picked up from Princess Polly. Honestly, they just fit like a glove. So like I said, go down a size if you're wanting to get these. If you're normally a size 10, go an 8. If you're normally a 12, go a 10, and so on. But yeah, size 8 fits absolutely perfect on me. You can kind of see I do still have a little bit of room as well, but how cute does this outfit look together? I love it. As for shoes, some cute white heels. That would look really cute together. Or some enclosed black boots. They are both from Princess Polly by the brand Bellini. Oh my god, how cute is this top? So I did get a few just crops that could go with absolutely anything. Skirts, jeans, pants, whatever. So I got this blue one. I just love it. I'm obsessed with blue recently, especially baby blue. This one is really stretchy. I ended up getting an 8 in it. I was contemplating getting a 10 because I wasn't sure whether it would be a firmer fit, but it definitely is really strretchy. I'm not wearing a bra or anything on underneath. It's really nice. And just, I don't know, hugs your figure really nice. Okay, next top that I picked up was this it's silky. It's so soft. So obviously it's a little silk, tight, ruching, bustier type top. I'm so bad at explaining. But I did get this one in a size 8. I'm not sure if I should have gone up a size. I think if I did go up a size, there'd be a bit more material around here, but it doesn't look bad. It's not uncomfortable. It's not cutting my circulation or anything like that. But yeah, just be mindful. It is quite a firm 8 fit. If you did have bigger breasts, probably would recommend going up a size. I think it looks so nice, especially with these jeans. I feel like these would also look cute with a pencil skirt, or even a denim skirt, or trouser pants. As for shoes, the shoes that I wore before, if you want to dress it down with a more casual vibe, sneakers. I really like the dressy top, jean, and then sneaker vibe. Like, it's just really, yeah, like edgy. Like, I really like it. Okay, so this is the last crop that I'm going to pair with the jeans. I am wearing nipple covers on underneath for reference. So I think it would be a tad see-through. It's quite a thin, breathable fabric. So just keep that in mind. You could obviously wear like a strapless bra or, like I said, nipple covers. Just a super cute basic to have in your collection. I love the little flowers. I love anything girly, if you guys haven't already noticed. Okay, favorite outfit ever. I'm obsessed. So I've had this top from Princess Polly in my wardrobe for a couple months now. So I didn't get this one this time around, but they have heaps of cool basics like this. So didn't get this one this time around, but I got this coat and these joggers. I'm pairing it with some runners. I will show you guys what the bottom half looks like, but can we just take a moment to appreciate this coat? It's so lightweight, but it's still warm. It just goes over the top of anything. Like, you could literally put this over the top of anything. Jeans and a crop, a long dress, literally anything. Wear it with sneakers, wear it with heels, wear it with boots. Like, this coat is just amazing. I love it so much. Like I said, I'm not really a coat wearer. Like, I don't think I even own a long coat. Like, I don't know, I just never reach for it if I was cold and I was like, okay, I need to get a coat. But the model on the website converted me to long coats. Like, how good does she look? Yeah, I picked up an outfit similar to that. So like I said, this is just from Princess Polly. I think it's just one of their staples that they always have. And then I got the joggers that were also in the photo. These are so comfy. I ended up getting a medium, I think, in these. 12. Same thing. So I got a 12 because if you know me, you know that I like loose fitted joggers. I don't like anything that's super restrictive. Not only do I wear joggers around the house, I also like to wear it out as well. So yeah, with the trackies, size 12, I love the color and I love how like it contrasts with the coat as well. I think grey trackies is what she's wearing and I think they will look really cute as well, but I just decided to get the beige on beige and white. I just really like this together. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to wear it at the house. And then like I said, I'm just wearing it with some joggers or runners. You could wear Nike Air Forces, any sort of sneaker would look so cute with this outfit. Next few items, I'm obsessed again. I got another freaking white cropped sweater. So this one is a little bit more fitted around the waist. As you can see, it's got little flare sleeves. I have also paired this outfit with some, I was gonna say, yeah, knee-high boots, not thigh-high, not quite thigh-high, knee-high boots, also from Princess Polly. How cute is this outfit? I'm dead. Like, I absolutely love it. I ended up getting the skirt in a size 8. It's a really good size. I feel like if I went a 10, it would have been a little bit gapey. But yeah, size 8, a really good size for me. It's really stretchy. It's not like, I don't know, it's kind of stretchy but also firm at the same time, so gives you that shape but not like digging in so it's uncomfortable. But how cute is this top? Actually, just how cute is this outfit together? I love it so much. Okay, so this is a dress. I'll show you guys what it looks like without the belt. So it's just like a short sweater dress, I guess you could call it. I got this one in a size small to medium. I love the color and it's just like, I don't know, it just feels really nice on. Like, I'm not restricted and like it just fits really nice. Like, I saw it and I was like, oh, did I get another jumper? And then I realized it was a freaking dress. So for me personally, I mean, you could wear it on its own. I feel like it needs a little bit more waist definition, so you could pair any sort of chunky belt. I'm just gonna pair this one like that, just to define your waist a bit. Sorry if you can't like see my head, I'm like got heels on. The thing I love about these kinds of sleeves on tops and dresses is you can wear them full length as they are, or you can hike them up and then just let them sort of like go like this. So they turn into like a different look. Hold on. Kind of like that. So you can have them like 3/4 sleeve, like little balloon sleeves, or you can have them all the way down like this. But this dress is so cute. Not gonna lie, it's not something that I would tend to wear. Like, I'm just such a pants or jeans and top kind of girl. Like I'm not into dresses, but I really want to start wearing them because, I don't know, I've just developed a new love for dresses, and I find that now when I'm shopping online, I'll click the dresses tab when I never used to. So yeah, I'm loving dresses. I actually did get another dress. Actually, that's not a dress. Look at the color. It's amazing. So I'll try that one on next. But yeah, this is incredible. I love it, especially with the belt. And I am actually wearing the ankle boots with it as well. The knee-high ones would look really cute too, but I don't know. I just think the ankle boots look really nice as well. Okay, I love this. I did end up getting, what size did I get this? A 10. I think I will return it for an 8 though, just because it is really big. And I think if it was a little bit more fitted, it would be a bit more flattering. But then again, like I'm looking in the mirror and this size does still look really nice. Like it's very, very comfortable. Would I wear a belt with it? Let's have a look and see what a belt would look like with it on. Just to give it that little extra bit of wastage. Actually like that. Maybe I'll keep this size. Because yeah, it is like, as you can see, like it's very, very ruched here. Obviously there is adjustable straps on the side. So you obviously just like pull it and then tighten it if you did want it a little bit higher. But I kind of like this length on me. I think I'm going to keep this size and pair it with a belt because I do like it. I just don't want to feel too uncomfortable with the 8 if it was to be a little bit more firmer. But the color of this is just gorgeous and yeah, I love it. Okay, last 2 pieces I got. I need to wrap up this haul because the sun's about to take over my beauty room. But anyways, I did end up getting another cropped sweater in beige. I absolutely love this one. This one is more fitted at the sleeves and then like pretty much like the other ones, just like a cropped sweater. I love this so much. I feel like it would go with absolutely anything. It's just like a nice little staple to have in your winter wardrobe. And then finally I got these sage trackies, which I'm obsessed with. Oh, there's the sun. These are the sage joggers that I was just talking about. Love them. I ended up getting, I think, a small to medium. I'll leave the size anyways down below, but I love these so much. Wearing my tie-dye socks again. You could literally dress trackies in so many different ways. You can pair it with a jumper, a cropped jumper, a tight fitted like crop, literally anything. They're so versatile. You can wear them at home, lounging around. You can wear them out. So that's everything. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to thumbs up if you'd like to see more clothing hauls on my channel. I will leave my discount code again on the screen if you guys want to save 20% off, as well as in the description box down below. I'll leave all the information that you need to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye.